Welcome to Algebra Basics. Today, we are going to learn how to find the degree of a polynomial by identifying the degree of its leading term. This is a fundamental concept for understanding how polynomials behave. First, let's quickly review what a polynomial is. It is an expression made up of terms that are added or subtracted together. In this example, we have three terms: 3x squared, 5x, and the number 7. To find the degree of the entire polynomial, we first need to look at each term individually. The degree of a single term is simply the value of its exponent. Here, we have 4x cubed. The exponent is 3, so the degree of this term is 3. Sometimes you won't see an exponent written down. For example, in the term 2x, there is an invisible exponent of 1. It really means 2x to the power of 1. So, whenever you see a variable with no number above it, its degree is 1. What about a plain number like 7? This is called a constant. Since it has no variable attached to it, its degree is 0. You can think of it as 7 times x to the power of 0. Now for the main rule. The degree of the entire polynomial is defined by the highest degree among all its terms. It does not matter how many terms there are. We only care about the one with the largest exponent. Let's look at this example, 2x squared plus 3x plus 5. We check each term. The first term is degree 2. The second is degree 1. The third is degree 0. The winner is 2, so the degree of this polynomial is 2. Be careful because terms are not always in order. Here we have 5 minus x to the 4th power plus 2x. If we check the degrees, we have 0, 4, and 1. The highest number is 4, so the degree of this polynomial is 4. It is very important not to confuse the coefficient with the degree. In the term 7x to the 5th, the big number 7 is the coefficient. It does not affect the degree. Only the small number, the exponent 5, determines the degree. To wrap up, remember these steps. Identify all the terms, find the exponent for each one, recall that invisible exponents are 1 and constants are 0, and finally, select the highest number. That winner is the degree of your polynomial.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.